Today we are walking on Robson Street in Vancouver downtown. This is the street that does have a lot of stores here, lots of famous kind of chain of stores that you probably heard about if you live in Canada. Vancouver themed store. White bear, should we get it? Of course, next to maple syrup. I'm actually glad it's not so sunny, so I can see Vancouver more in how it usually is, because most of the days of the year it will rain, they say. Yeah, I'm checking out some Italian inspired shops, some Italian coffee and chocolate. I might try Dubai chocolates. It's actually raining outside and I'm hiding in this cute cafe. I got cappuccino and inspired Dubai chocolate. I actually feel almost I'm in Europe right now, in the European cafe somehow. Hello Kitty Cafe! It's themed completely with Hello Kitty. So this is West End. And this looks really cute, so they have cute balconies right there. So what I like about Vancouver, they do like to put so many flowers on the streets. Like, see, you're just walking by and you see beautiful flowers. And I think that's really great. So this is actually called Lost Lagoon. It's a freshwater lagoon right here in Stanley Park. You can feel almost like you're in some Jurassic Park here with this type of greenery right here. Since it actually rained, now we're getting like full Vancouver experience, I feel like. Ah, they smell amazing. I actually can smell them right here. They are quite sweet, very soft, sweet fragrance. Якщо ви розмовляєте українською, то дивитесь, тут такі великі дерева і щось і пішов дощ тепер. О, це прям Ванкувер для мене такий. Але ж то дощі то класно для природи, бо все потребує того дощу, щоб рости. Так? And I'm saying in Ukrainian that, you know, you see guys how the trees are so big here and now it's raining, but the rain is important so that the grass can grow, everything can be so green. So it's really good. So I'm experiencing the real Vancouver right now. And I'm hiding under this beautiful tree. And some people are still riding bicycles, can't escape the rain when it comes. It's just so big and pretty. Like, look, this is my hand. It is so pretty. Kind of feels like being, you know, hugged by the tree. So this is a second beach in Stanley Park. They also have the pool area right here. And of course, as you can see, no one is swimming because it is raining. And now we are seeing the Stanley Park seawall. So that is a part of seawall now. So Stanley Park seawall goes all around Stanley Park. Someone built a rock structure on top of a rock, and there are more rock structures right here. It's a balance type of exercise. And yesterday we actually started to play Lila game. with my Lila game teacher, and now we are friends, and sometimes we get together to play a mutual Lila game, supporting each other to find our own answers with the help of this spiritual game, which is basically a tool for you to connect with yourself and find your own answers, see how you're feeling, what is the next step you want to make in your life and what's stopping you. It helps you clarify what it is you want and what's actually suitable for you, what's aligned with who you really are. Which is why, for me, it's completely aligned with what I'm all about. For me, it's very important to support people, to be true to who they are, and to live authentic lives. And so I'm really excited for this game. I'm really grateful for this friend I have, that we can always connect and support each other in a very deep way. There's a Ferguson Point that gives a bit of overlook. The mountains are so pretty. So the mountains in Vancouver, as I'm experiencing them, they do seem colder to me compared to Kelowna. Kelowna, the overall temperatures are much more warm, and the feeling is much more like a vacation. So it's of course for a reason that people say that Kelowna is like a vacation town for them. Even lots of people who live in Vancouver, they visit Kelowna just to enjoy time there. But for my soul, I actually feel much more pulled towards Kelowna as a place to live, because I love more tropical climates. I love Hawaii. That is the place I love so much. And Kelowna for me has the same kind of idea, same kind of feeling of like beach vibes and vacation type of enjoying life. There are so many wineries, so many people just enjoying life, and I love that so much. So yeah, but this is also beautiful if you're looking for that a bit colder kind of climate. I'm guessing it still doesn't get as cold here as in East Canada or more northern Canada. So it can be a beautiful balance for you if you don't mind the rain. That is actually Third Beach right there. This is again the map, and this time, as you can see, we are right here. So today we came this way like that. And this is Third Beach. No matter the weather, you can still enjoy places. And there is a seagull. I found some trail here, and we are going towards Hollow Tree. So we have reached our destination. This is the Hollow Tree. There is history here. So they did decide to preserve the tree, and now it's artificially supported to stand upright here. Something called a lover's trail. So I think they have horseback riding here, because you see there is pedestrian and equestrian path right here on this bridge, and we are walking towards Beavers Lake. So one thing about Vancouver is, because there are lots of bridges in and out of the city, and it does get quite packed with traffic in rush hours. So sometimes it might take you quite a while to actually cross the bridge. This is the bridge that goes towards Lionsgate. So this is a Beavers Lake. The birds are flying like in one of those games. That's funny. There's another bird that was sitting here. Oh, I'm sorry, I don't want to disturb you. It is like a pond. And so it's raining again, but I have found something called Shakespeare Garden with some view on the city. And it connects with Rose Garden, and you are free to come. There is no fee or entrance for this, so you can just visit this anytime you would like. Here I am again, this time when it's raining, and the feel is completely different from that sunny day when we were biking with Christina here. Vancouver's rowing club. Learn to row. You can learn to row here. There are some harbor cruises in here. You can take a cruise to see Vancouver from the ocean. So here I am in downtown. I love that tree that lights up. And I just also saw the bus that goes to Whistler, which would be a good idea for me to go there again. This clock is a nice feature. Kind of reminds me a bit of Moscow for some reason. A bit of downtown. And that seagull is actually pretty. It was just flying.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more. Press bell for notifications.